Okay, here we have something we don't normally get. This is a 750 CFM competition series right from the factory, AFB Carter 4760S. We have the matching other carburetor that goes with it. This carburetor has manual choke. See? Boom, 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 boom. We have the other one, which we'll be videoing later and putting it with it. We'll be selling this. The other one, this period is not even machined out. It's choke delete. This thing is right from the factory, designed for this particular purpose of 2-4 setups on a single intake. And boy, it runs smooth. Okay, now that was no load. Now we're going to put a load on it. And we are going to put the rev limiter on it here, so it don't go crazy. And we're going to open it up. We're going to see how much torque. Now remember, let's see here. See what we got. Trying to get these machines set here. Oh wow. Okay, I gotta watch them both. Up there for torque, it's down here first. Okay. Okay. Good reading. Is okay. You can turn the engine mode off. Okay, what that does, that puts a load on the engine, as you've probably seen in other videos. And the more RPM you turn it up, the more load it puts on it, until it'll put a load on there so much to stall the motor out. But that's not the object. The object is to, just like a dynamometer, to measure foot-pounds of torque, RPM, fuel mixtures, all kinds of different things we're measuring to determine. Anyway, we're going to get the other carburetor out here. We're going to get them set up, matched up identically. 750 Whompin' Stompin' CFM. Multiple bolt pattern here, manual choke, AFB Carter with a large top air cleaner. Okay, that's it, boys and girls. Thank you. Ready? Okay, this is the other half of the 2-4 setup. This carburetor, I cannot tell you what it was originally called because it'd be politically incorrect. I can't say that word. But it's got something to do with the black people used to be. Anyway, this is the other one. This has no choke. It's called a choke delete. No shafts bored out, no holes bored out for shaft. And it says Competition Series 750. This factory made for the dual setup. Had no vacuum fitting here, none here, and none in the back. And this is a mate to the other one. These go together as a set, made from the factory. I don't know for sure what vehicle they came stock on, but this is a 4762. First thing we're going to do is start him up. And as you see, this carburetor will totally run by itself. If you wanted to put that on a car and run it around by yourself without the other one in the front, the other one is called the other politically correct name I cannot say, but it's got something to do with the boss. And then somebody that works for him. Anyway, this carburetor has got its own mixture screws, own thing. Does not have a choke. Okay? You understand all that. First thing, we're going to rev it up. We're going to do a test. Like if you were getting ready to get up on the line to clear it out. You got a driver in there in the car. Now we're going to go back and we're going to hook it up just like if you to take that car and put a trench brake on it. Boy, this thing here keeps multiplying the torque. The faster you rev it up, the more torque it puts on it till we get to the place where it stalls the motor out, which we're not going to do, and ruin our motor and our dyno just to see what it would do. We bring it up there until we feel that, okay, now we're going to put the electronic controls on over here. Now we're going to start, it's going to start measuring things. That thing put about 650 foot-pounds of torque out. Okay. Now she's got a fresh powder coat on her. It's got this stainless steel screws to keep it from rusting. All the linkage is powder coated, so you don't ever have to worry about them getting rusty anymore. And she's ready to go. I don't know for sure what a final price that we're going to try to settle on this, but for about $400 a piece, I'd split them up and sell them individually. But probably going to sell them. I don't know what we're going to sell the match set for until I decide to put them on the internet. There they are, $750 AFB Carter, made in St. Louis, Missouri, competition series 750 CFM. I mean, this is not no just Mickey Mouse. These things are riveted in from the factory. It's not no just homemade generic. Well, they call them clones. A lot of people do, but to me, it's just another word for fake. Have a good day. Or happy. Thank you.